Now throw backwards. No, turn around. Backwards.
Don't do that. Do not do that.
No, right. Go bounce with the ball. And then throw it back. Throw it back. Fell on the floor.
Okay, Mike.
1, 2, I'm okay. It smashed my head down there. Some more. The ball smashed my head down there more. Okay. Now I'm going to flip in the air and jump off it. Like, can you do it? No, I can't. No. Let me try. Whoop. Let me do another. 1, 2. Mike, watch out. I need to do my other 1, 2, 3.